Hello, in this video we are drawing a dragon. So first we do the head, at the edge of the mouth. Then we continue with the mouth like that. Then we do up here about a few spikes, like 5 or 4. Then we do the teeth, nice and pointy. We do the eye, round like that, and a bit ovally. Then we are going to do the neck. We do it through the spikes on the back of the head. Then we do a bit of the wing. Well, first we do some fire coming out there, like that. Then we are going to do the wings. And then we do some lines in the wings, like so. Then we're going to do lines crossing like that. Okay? Now, next, we are going to color in. So, first we need some red for the head. All around the head. Okay. In here, up here, a bit, come down with the pen, down through the corners, fill it in. There. So, next, we are going to do the, what do you call it again? The fire, yes. We will fill the inside red, all around, like that. Then next, we will be doing the outside yellow. Well, the inside could be either red or orange. So here we are doing orange and yellow for the fire. So then, next, we are doing the neck. Okay? We start with some green. In here, in there, a bit down, all the way down. There. Like that. You can color in a bit, so it's not too light, more dark. Then we are going to do the wings, red, like the head. And like that. All around. Like that. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video. And hit the subscribe button, please. And see you next time. Fill in the wing. Okay, we just fill in the wing is the last part. And there, we've done it. Then we can fill in the head a bit. There. See you next time.